Alright guys, this is the build progress update for the two new home builds for the week of April 21st. So last week we got a ton done. So we got the framing and the roofing done and the windows done for one of the builds. On the other house we got the framing done and we got the trusses on and we got some windows in. So we are rocking over there. We're getting these things up quick. This next week is a very important week because this week is when we finish up that framing and roofing on the second home, and then we move into the trade. So we are actually bringing our HVAC guy in tomorrow. He's going to be working on the house to start running the ventilation in the house on the one that has the roofing already installed on it. So we're going to start that. On Wednesday, the framing should be completed and the roofing on the second house, and so HVAC should be able to finish up for both houses by Wednesday. So that's the goal for HVAC. Second, we have plumbers coming in to rough plumb both houses. So that should be 1-day job. So we're thinking that's going to be completed on Thursday. So by the end of this week, by Friday, the hope is that we'll have HVAC and plumbing inspections completed by the end of this week. City inspections, rough-in inspections. So that's the goal. Get framing done, completed, roof, windows, everything on both houses. HVAC, rough-in, and inspection, and also rough-in on plumbing and the rough plumbing inspection. And then the following week, we'll be doing electrical on the Monday, Tuesday, to get the rough electrical inspection completed, and then the framing inspection, and then we're on to installation. So this week is a super important week to stay on schedule, get our trades in there, get them roughed in. We can move on to get these inspections completed. So big week this week. So if you enjoy this content, follow X Home Builds. Until next time.